Hello everyone. A lot of you think that you can manifest through Ho'oponopono healing prayer, but it's not like that. Welcome to my channel Blissful Experience. I am your all-time favorite Ho'oponopono healer, Bliss. Yeah, I know. I can do everything, alright. So let's talk about it. You can manifest anything via Ho'oponopono prayer, but not through it. Alright, let me make you understand even more clearly. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian prayer. All the information you already have. So it's a Hawaiian prayer consisting of 4 affirmations that are so powerful vibrationally. Okay, so Ho'oponopono prayer consisting of 4 powerful affirmations are recited with feelings to evoke the feeling of forgiveness, gratitude and love from within, to take accountability of your own emotions, feelings or whatever situations you have gone through, or whatever blockages that is happening in the present moment also. These are the things that can be erased through this Ho'oponopono prayer. To take accountability of your own feelings, the situations, thought patterns, people, their reactions, trauma, any belief system, thought patterns or energy. It could be anything. It could be any illness as well. So it is very powerful, Mainly you ask for forgiveness to your higher self, to your inner child, to your pure positive soul, to your divine self, highest self, to the universe, to the mother nature, to the god goddesses. Even this prayer could be done for any people as well, So mainly by this prayer you take responsibility for your own actions or emotions, feelings, vibrations, whatever it is, and take responsibility. When you say I am sorry, you know you are the one. You are the one responsible for it, and putting your ego aside, you just ask for forgiveness and see the things as it should be. When you say I am sorry with all your feelings and emotions, you evoke the forgiveness within you, and it's a great power that can heal literally anything, delete, remove anything. Then you ask even more for forgiveness, like please forgive me. And then when you say thank you, it's about expressing gratitude for your unconditional support for your own self. And even if you are doing for some people, other people, you are thankful for their support. You are thankful that they have forgiven you. And when you thank yourself, it is your intention. Why am I thanking? Because what I want is removed, erased, deleted, and I am forgiven. You are forgiven. And when you say thank you, your inner self forgives you. The universe forgives you. Other people, you are asking for forgiveness spiritually. This is the process that has to be done spiritually. You cannot do one-on-one. Okay, so it is going to heal deeply. All right, and erase whatever you wanna erase. And when you say with all your heart and feelings that I love you, I love your soul, to someone else or to yourself, that I love you unconditionally, you evoke the power of self-love, which is the highest form of vibration, and it can attract literally anything. It is miraculous. Whoever practiced self-love knows that well, that they can manifest easily. As you say I love you, you attract better things in life, and the self-love process starts from this prayer. Alright, so as you all can see, this is a cleaning technique. Basically, cleansing process is all about cleansing, deep cleansing. And when you do this deep cleansing in a specific area of your life through decluttering, you make space for new things to come of your own choices consciously. That's where you manifest new things in your life. That's why I said you do not manifest through Ho'oponopono prayer, but you do manifest via it. It's like cleansing and decorating new things in a full cleaned room. You have cleaned the whole room. Now it's very spacious, and now you can color of your own choice. Now you can decorate the space. Now you can welcome whatever you want to welcome consciously. That's where your power lies. So I will add one more important thing. It does not matter how many times you do this Ho'oponopono chanting. It is not about one day process for first. Doing it consistently every day matters the most. When you do this technique, this prayer, with proper intentions and feelings every single day consistently, no matter how many times, it's your choice, then you unlock the true power of Ho'oponopono prayer. One day you will see it's like daily cleaning, little by little. No more pressuring, no more focusing on things with pressure, but doing it with peace and harmony. One day you will see us doing that prayer for minimum 2-3 times, even one time. It is giving you results, magical results. Like, it works for me wonderfully. I've done it like I have done it so many times. I have learned this technique so skillfully. So yeah, it works wonderfully. I am guaranteeing you. Try it for your own self first and then let me know. So there is a good news for you. So if you want me to make a specific Ho'oponopono prayer for you, you can comment down below and I'm going to make it for free. Alright, in the YouTube channel. All you have to do is comment your topic, and if it gets more than 5 likes, then I'm making sure that I'm making a video for you on the specific topic. Alright, I am signing off today, and that's it for today. I hope I helped you, and if you loved this video, like this video, share this video with whoever needs it, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Alright, bye. Happy healing.